What's up, guys? This is Cody with Sonic Electronics. We're at the Diamond Audio booth at SEMA 2024. We've got Ryan with us. We're gonna take a look at their newest radio for the Harley-Davidson. So I'm gonna hand it over to Ryan. He's gonna hop on here and walk you through some of the cool features this thing has to offer for you.
Yeah, let's go ahead and take a look. I'm gonna jump on the bike real quick. You guys come in here and check the feature set out. So this is the brand new MSHD14 for the 2014 to 23 and a half Harley-Davidson touring models. So we're gonna go ahead and go over some of the feature sets on this. So we've got built-in wireless CarPlay Android Auto. And one of the biggest features on this radio is that we partnered with iDataLink, and we have the built-in RR module to control the CAN bus in the bike. So we can do really cool trick features, like we can program any one of these hand controls to control features on the bike, such as the air ride, like an electronic kickstand. If you had LED lighting, you could do all that from a button push on the hand controls. What's also cool and unique about this radio from some of the other ones that are available for your Harley-Davidson is that we've got full-blown DSP. So we've got an EQ that controls everything, plus we've got crossover controls on every output. So we've got internal power control and the full range RCA outputs as well. What's nice is if you're more advanced and you're doing things like mid-bass drivers, mid-range drivers, and tweeters, you can do them active, like you would in a car, where you're able to have high pass, low pass, and band pass crossovers. So we can actually come in here and easily dial in our frequencies, change the slope, and it automatically adjusts it live real time. If we wanted to do a band pass crossover, we could hit this again, and we could go up. And now we've set a band pass crossover. They also have independent EQ controls, which is pretty cool. So you can do one of two things. You can either adjust it with touch, or you've got precise controls here. And the one that you're controlling is actually highlighted in red. So we would hit the band button, and we can just go up and down our features here, and then we hit level, and we can get a better, more precise control. And at any given time, you can also reset it. So, and then you would hit the exit button. We have time delay. One of the unique features about this radio as well is that we give you the ability to limit the internal power if you want to utilize it to run more amplifiers for input signal to match the RCAs. We also have clip-free technology on this radio, so no matter where the volume level is, the signal never clips. That just ensures you get the best, most accurate sound reproduction the entire time you're listening to music. So on a bike like this, you can turn it to full volume and really jam down the road.
Yeah, so this is the MSHD14, right?
Correct,
okay.
Yeah. We also have two more offerings. We have the MSHD9813 SG and RG for the street glide and road glide.
Awesome. Well, be sure to head on over to Sonic Electronics. Load your vehicle right there on the homepage. We'll show you exactly what fits, what you need to get to put in your car, and we'll see you guys in the next one.